These OKKMAX smart outdoor lights offer rich multicolor effects with individually controlled diodes that create smooth, eye-catching patterns along the entire string. The lighting kit includes a wide range of preset scenes and fine-grained color adjustment, so it is easy to tailor the look for holidays, parties, or everyday accent lighting. A durable, fully sealed design with a high waterproof rating and long-rated lifespan makes these lights well-suited for year-round installation in harsh weather. The flexible mounting hardware and modular string layout allow you to run the lights neatly along eaves, fences, or beams and extend coverage across larger areas. Convenient app control, along with support for major voice assistants, lets you change colors, scenes, and schedules without needing to reach for a physical switch. Music reactive modes and programmable timers add an extra layer of fun and automation, turning the lights into a set and forget backdrop for gatherings and seasonal decor.